Hello everyone. Today you will be working on CKLA Skills, Unit 2, Lesson 8. In this lesson, you will read and write the long vowel sound O with the vowel digraph O space E and the sound I with the vowel digraph I space E. Let's begin with a pop-out chaining activity. Remember, I will show you a word. You need to tap out the word, and then I will say alakazam and add the magic E. Remember, why do we say the E is magic? We say the E is magic because it changes the vowel sound in the word. So when we add the magic E, change that vowel sound from a short sound to its long sound. Remember, the long sound says its name. Let's begin. Let's do the first one together. Read the word. Tap it out. D, I, dim. Alakazam. Add the magic E. Now the word is dime. Remember, the E makes that I say its name. It is now a long vowel. Do the rest on your own. Read the word. Alakazam. Now the word is fine. Read the word. Alakazam. Now the word is kite. Read the word. Alakazam. Now the word is pine. Read the word. Alakazam. Now the word is ride. Read the word. Alakazam. Now the word is hide. Read the word. Alakazam. Now the word is ripe. Read the word. Alakazam. Now the word is bite. Very good job, friends. Remember that E turns that vowel from a short sound into the long sound where it is saying its name. Let's continue with some medial sounds. Today we're going to focus on the sound O as in note. Say the O sound with me. Repeat. O, 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 O. Repeat the following words after me. These words have the O sound at the beginning of the word. Oat, omen, old, ogre. Repeat the following words after me. These words have the O sound in the middle of the word. Rope, boat, phone, coat, hope. Repeat these words after me. These words have the O sound at the end of the word. Repeat. Snow, toe, grow, blow, know. Do you think the O sound is a vowel sound or a consonant sound? The O sound is a vowel sound. It is made with an open mouth, and block off any of the air when you're saying the sound. O. Now I'm going to say some more words. Some of these words will have the O sound as their middle sound, and some will not. Remember, you are listening for the middle sound as O. Close your eyes and listen carefully. Touch your nose when you hear a word that has the O sound as its middle sound. Let's see if you're a good listener. Choke. Does choke have the O sound as its middle sound? Listen. Ch, O, k. Yes, it does. The O is in the middle of the word. Let's do another. Hot. Does hot have the O sound in the middle of the word? No, don't touch your nose on that one. Hot has an ah in the middle, not the O sound. Let's do the next one. Joke. Joke has the O sound in the middle of the word. You should have touched your nose. Moon. Does moon have the O sound in the middle of the word? No, moon says ooh in the middle, not O. Vote. Does vote have the O sound in the middle of the word? Yes, it does. You should have touched your nose for the O sound in vote. Boat. Does boat have the O sound in the middle of the word? Yes, it does. Touch your nose. Boat has O in the middle. Shout. Does shout have the O sound in the middle? No, it says ow, not O. Goat. Does goat have the O sound in the middle of the word? Yes, goat says O right in the middle of the word. Did you get them all right? I hope you were good listeners. Now I'm going to show you how to write the O sound. Today's spelling is another separated spelling, or we call it a magic E spelling, like the A space E in name. Remember, it says the A sound for A space E, and the I space E in time. Remember that E makes the I say I. Today we're going to focus on O. O is spelled O space E. Let's learn how to write it. We say O space and then an E. The two letters O and E work together to stand for the O sound. I left a space between the letter O and the letter E. Do you see it? When I write an actual word, I will fill that space with the spelling for the sound that comes after the O sound. Watch me. I'll add an R and a P to my OE to make the word ope. Ope. For the word rope. Remember, the E makes the O say its name. Rope. Do you hear the O? The letters O and the letter E work together as a letter team to stand for one sound, the O sound. Say O. They are working together even though there's a letter in between them. Look at the picture you see below. You see R-O-P-E. The word rope contains 4 letters, R-O-P-E, but it only has 3 sounds. Listen. O, p. Just 3 sounds. Remember, the E is silent. It does not make a sound. Watch as I tap my fingers to segment the word. O, p. Rope. The E does not make a sound. It's too busy making that O say its name. So O and E say what sound? O. This is another example of the O spelling for the O sound. We see that same word, rope, again. Read the word with me. Rope. The O and the E work together to make the O sound. Watch as I tap this out. Our first sound is O, p, rope. I will say another word. This time, you can help me spell this word. The word is hope. How do I spell it? The first sound is H. What letter do I need? H. What's the second sound in hope? Ooh, I hear the O sound. That means I need an O. Don't forget that magic E. I'm not going to write it just yet. The letter O is the first part of the spelling for the O sound. I'll write the second part after the sound that comes after the O sound. So we have O. What comes next in the word hope? I hear the P. So that's what letter? P. So the last sound is P. We write a P. If I left the word like this, it would be pronounced hop. To spell hope, I need to add my magic letter E. Now the word is hope. Remember, the O and E work together to stand for the O sound. Let's take a look at our spelling card. Read the example word with me. Home. Take a look at the power bar. This is a mid-length power bar, and it means that the O sound is sometimes spelled this way, but not always. When you see the O space E spelling when you're reading, you can look at your individual code chart when we get back into school if you need help on how to spell this word or this sound. Think of the spellings that we have learned so far that have the space in between the vowel and the magic E. Do you see any patterns? Have you noticed anything? Notice that the magic E acts as part of a vowel team with the letters A for A space E, I for I space E, and O for O space E. That E changes the way that each vowel is sounding in a word. The double E, E space E, acts as a vowel team to stand for the E sound. So whenever you see the spelling O space E for the sound O on a worksheet or in a story for the next few lessons, it will be printed in darker, bolder ink to remind you that the two letters stand for a single sound. What sound does O space E make? O. Let's move on to working in our workbook. Take out your Unit 2 Skills book and turn to page 8.1. That's 8.1 in the upper right-hand corner of your workbook. You will find this on page 31. That's 31 in the bottom right-hand corner of your workbook. Make sure you put your name on your paper nice and neat. If you need more time, please press pause on this video and remember to press play when you're ready to continue. On workbook page 8.1, you will see that there are many thick black lines. Each thick black line on this page stands for one letter. Take a look at the example at the top of the page. Hold up 3 fingers for me, and let's segment this word together. N, A, T. Let's do that one more time. The sounds are N, A, T. This is the word not. The word not contains 3 sounds, and it's spelled with 3 letters. Pretty easy, right? Now, let's add our magic E to make a new word. Now, let's say our new word. Note. Now hold up 3 fingers and segment the new word with me. N, O, T. Note. The word note also has 3 sounds, but it is spelled with 4 letters. Remember that 4th letter is our magic letter E that does not make a sound. Take a look at the V-shaped mark under the word note right here. This shows that the O and the E work together as a team to make what sound? O. I will say 5 more word pairs. You will write the words sound by sound on each line. Let's begin. Number 1. Rob. B. Write each sound. Alakazam. Let's add our magic E and make our new word. Robe. Number 2. Hop. P. Alakazam. Add our magic E, make your new word. Hope. Number 3. Dot. D, A, T. Dot. Alakazam. Add your magic E. Your new word is dote. Number 4. Mop. A, P. Mop. Alakazam. Add your magic E and your new word is mope. Number 5. Slop. S, L, A, P. Slop. Alakazam. Add your magic E. Your new word is slope. Very good. I hope you used your neatest handwriting. Now go ahead and turn to the back of that page to workbook page 32. That's 32. You'll find this number in the bottom left-hand corner of your workbook. On page 32, you'll be working with the O space E spelling for the sound O, as in nope. For this activity, you will trace and copy the words that you see on the page. Then you will write each word until you get to the end of the line. Say the sounds as you write the spelling. Let's look at the first word. Note. Then we have rope, bone, home, There's note and those. For note, you will trace the word N-O-T-E. Then you will write the word until you get to the end of the line. Say the sounds as you write the spelling. Watch me first. N-O-T, note. Don't forget your magic E. Write it again. N-O-T, note. You'll do the same thing on the second line. N-O-T. Don't forget your magic E. Then you'll write it again. N-O-T. 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 I have more space, so I can go to the end of that line. Just give me one finger space and then write N-O-T. You'll do that with the rest of the words on the page. Do your neatest handwriting. You will see Worksheet 8.2 in your workbook. Use Worksheet 8.2 to practice reading the story At the Reef. You do not need to submit a photo of this worksheet. Just practice so you will get better at reading those words. Here's your work to submit today. You will submit the digraph dictation OE, Worksheet 6.1, which is the front, page 31, and writing the spellings for OE words, which is Worksheet 6.1 on the back, which is page 32. Be sure to submit a clear photo of these worksheets in the assignments link on Canvas. Do your best work. Goodbye.